They're voice controlled, so it's pretty cool.
Wait, is that Star Wars music?
Yes, I did that for you, Coach. Okay.
Oh, Darth Vader, best villain ever.
Drones activate first sequence. They're voice controlled, so it's kind of cool. They listen to me, programmed them to listen. I think you're going to recognize this first one. Okay?
Death Star?
Any guesses?
No.
Any guesses? There it is. They're flying good tonight. Sometimes you get Cody drones. That's what I call them. They don't listen. Drones activate second sequence.
Stragglers.
Yeah, they don't always listen. You know, I thought coming off the 4th of July recently, we might as well have all glory. LA, can't you see? Yes. The music is a nice touch, of course. Looks very good. Drones activate third sequence. So I thought what would be really, really cool is if we could somehow perform a drone trick shot. You know, just felt like it was on brand. So there's a football, of course, moving through the air. Got kicked so hard it kind of got deformed, but it holds its shape. It's moving towards the upright. It looks good. It could be good. It is good. And the Rams win the Super Bowl again. Yeah, how about that? Nice. Of course, the Pandemonium Tour would not be complete without our good buddy Panda. There he is. Yes, you know, we named the tour after him mostly because he kind of forced us to. He was very. Oh, cancel Terminator mode. Drones, cancel Terminator mode. It'll like chase people. It's crazy. I'll show you later. Yep. Anyway, I would appreciate your call. Oh, he's stirring it up. That is great. Thank you. Thank you, guys. What?
Oh, what is this? Hold on. I might have hacked these, Tyler. I didn't tell you about that.
What?
They're Crown Slayer!